Alright guys, and welcome again to Neutral X 360. Like I said, this is where you unlock the market and this is where you unlock your potential as well. Okay, so guys, today we'll be talking about top-down analysis. Yes, I know everybody wants to get the top-down analysis or want to get good info on the top-down analysis. Like I said, I'm making this video very short for you guys to know how it works. All right, and I'm dropping tips at the end, so if you are grabbing this, keep writing, keep jotting, keep studying. Okay, so top down analysis, we say top down analysis. What is top down analysis? This is where we zoom in from the bigger to the smaller time frame, from the smaller time frame to the bigger. Okay, let me show you guys how it works. Okay, so top down analysis, we say if we are making an analysis, we'll go from our higher time frame to our lower time frame, which we say from our 4 hours, 1 hour, the 30 minutes to the 15 minutes, right? Then once we get into the trade, we'll wait for the trade to go from our 15 minutes, our 30 minutes to our 4 hours, guys. So guys, this is how the trend moves and this is how trading works. Okay, so if we are moving that same way, we are doing it the opposite way. All right, so guys, on the top down analysis, which for me, I keep telling everybody who are coming into this space, saying if you are getting on the chart first, before you do any top down analysis, ask yourself what kind of trader I am. Okay, which we have 3 kinds. We have the day, we have the scalp, and we have the swing, right? So the day will trade within the day. The scalp, quick movement, they're out of the game. Less than 5 to 20 minutes, they're out of the game. Then the swing, long-term investors. Okay, so since they are long-term investors, and this is how we'll get this done, since I am a day trader, and also yes, I do swing once in a while. Okay, let me clean up this chart. So we'll start from our 24 hours, which is our daily chart for no reason. Okay, which are 24 hours, just to get the overview, and this is something I do maybe once a week. Okay, just to get the overview. So we'll start with our 4 hours, which will say this is our directional time frame. I think I need to write this down. 4-ish, which will be direction. Okay, which should be direction. So we'll start marking. Then remember guys, all this comes along, all those concepts, the BOS and all that. Then you start marking our break of structure. I think I need to demarcate this chart so I won't get this all thing wrong. So we'll start going up. We'll say break of structure, which we say price. Once price breaks structure to the upside, we said price is going to the upside. I'll call it an uptrend, or you say price is going up. Okay, so once price is going up, we know now from our 4 hours, we now know, okay, price is actually going to the upside. Then we'll skip down to our 1 hour. All right, okay, I'm using these points here. Let me just get this done for you guys. So we'll scale down to our 1 hour, which will say it's our analysis time frame. I think I need to write this down also. Analysis time frame. Okay, so guys, keep writing this down. All right, so we'll say our 1 hour is our analysis time frame. So which year we start using the concept you learn? Is it that support or resistance? Is it that supply and demand? Okay guys, this is how it works. Okay, then now for me, I do use the concept of supply and demand. That's how I know how to trade, and it has been working for me 99% of the time. Okay, so first of all, we look inside our 1 hour time frame. We can see uh let's say we decode it inducement, but these are just normal fluctuation of price movement. So we call it an inducement, which will say this happen at a level whereby there's a plenty of orders. Okay, so this happen at a level whereby there's a plenty of orders. I remember I do trade concept of supply and demand. So we have a good demand zone right at that point. Okay, so since we got a good demand zone at that point, which as price came into the demand zone, we got a strong engulfing candle, which showing us price is ready to go to the upside, guys. So we've got a strong engulfing candle. That's our signal for price to go into the upside. But this is where it gets tricky. Okay, we can't just take a trade just like this. All right, since we now know, okay, now price is going to the upside, then we'll scale to our 30 minutes. Okay, then we'll now scale down to our 30 minutes, guys, to refine the analysis time frame, because sometimes this zone gets huge. Okay, most traders won't tell you guys this. Okay, sometimes these zones get huge. Okay, you see what I'm talking about? Then price came into our demand zone at the 1 hour time frame. Then over here price came into our demand zone. Okay, then once price came into our demand zone, we got a clean chart pattern of double bottom. All right, if you guys haven't watched the third video I dropped, guys, go and watch about this. I talked about this chart pattern, and I'll also do a video in the future. Okay, so guys, then price made a sweet chart pattern, and over here this is how my entry, or this is how my zone will not look like. Because if I say let me refine this zone, as price broke structure to the upside, we got a double chart pattern, which a double chart pattern means we are going to the upside, and price came in to retest the inner block. Okay, or you can call it the other block, or the level where there's a plenty of orders. Okay, price came into that level, then tap into that level before going to the upside. But yeah, this is how we refine the zone. This is how we know, okay, this is what price is actually doing. Because just can't just enter at that engulfing. Okay, now we now know, okay, this is a chart pattern. Let's wait for the retest. Then waiting on this retest at this point. Okay, since we are waiting on the retest at that point there, then we come down to our 15 minutes, which will say it's our entry time frame, right, guys? So we'll come down to our 15 minutes. Let me show you guys this. I'm doing this so you guys can see how beautiful it is. Let me write it down. "15 minutes entry." Okay, 15 minutes entry, guys. This is how it looks like. So price broke structure to the upside and create a double chart pattern, which we got a good retracement. Then we got a good engulfing candlestick pattern, which I talked about candlestick pattern at our third video. Then we got in the chart scale to, you remember we talked about how to set a proper stop loss, a take profit target. Guys, if you have not seen that video, go and watch that video so you can get a concept of this. So we look for our next supply, and this will be my next supply here, which there is an imbalance there. Then my stop loss at the recent low with a 15 pips away from it. So this will give me good 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and it's a good trade for me. All right, and also you can also look to the left side, and I forgot to tell people this. For traders, if you can't find proper stop loss target or take profit target, you just zoom into the left and look for structure point price left. Okay, that's how it works, guys. And also remember, anything I talk or anything I say up, just flip your chart, guys. That's just it. All right, just flip your chart. If I say anything up, just flip your chart down. That it's how it works. If you found this video very helpful, or you found this tip very helpful, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And guys, if you are struggling on Forex, my Telegram group is there. Come to my Telegram group. I have a free class session going on there. You can join on that and also study with it. Okay, love you guys, and see you guys on the next video. And also get your top down analysis right. Stop going to the lower time frame to look for something you won't see. This is how top down analysis has been placed, and this is how it's been this is how it works. Okay, so this is how top down analysis works. So see you guys on the next video, and take this game serious. Peace.